Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix the 7 deadly sins origin game crashing, crashes startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So without wasting any time, here follow the fixes. The first fix include restart of your PS5. So please press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2. Log out and log in. So simply log out from your PlayStation network account, go to settings, users and accounts, others, sign out and then wait for a few minutes and then log in back and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to switch internet connection. So first of all you can use the Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check, and if you're connected to Wi-Fi then you can connect to mobile data via hotspot, or if possible then you can also connect to other Wi-Fi network and then check, or you can also simply restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In the Wi-Fi frequency switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then launch the game and check which one works for you. Fix 5 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press the PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. Now you can go ahead, launch the 7 deadly sins origin game and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to restore license. On your PS5 go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and then go to restore license. Select the 7 deadly sins origin game and then select restore and select yes to confirm. After this you can check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab, turn off enable HDCP. Now check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and then turn on enable HDCP and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 8 is to delete the game data and cache. Now please take a note, you must make sure to back up the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss, and then you can go to the PS5 settings, save data and game/app settings, select save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage delete. Select the 7 deadly sins origin game and then select delete, OK. Now restart your console, don't forget to restart your console and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to change DNS settings manually. So go to PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connections. On your internet press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Change DNS settings from automatic to manual. In the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then hit OK. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If your problem is not solved, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then hit on OK, and then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to simply reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So simply uninstall the game and then reinstall and then check, or if you're using an SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the 7 deadly sins origin game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by following these fixes you can easily solve the 7 deadly sins origin game crashing, crashes startup, not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.